Hi trading community, it is my very first video and I'm excited to be here. The main reason I created this channel to educate and inform you about the stock market and finance. I am very happy to share a few stocks today here, but before I get to that, I share about myself. I am originally from London. My name is Nouri. I have been trading for the past couple of years. And I was an early investor of Tesla. I bought a few other stocks as well, and they are quite doing super good at the moment. Today, the reason I created this channel is to make a community of traders and investors, so together we make money. I really emphasize on the idea of making money because in 2021 and 2020 we really saw how the stock market did, how lots of people got rich, super rich. People made a lot of money, and there is a lot of opportunities that we can exploit and take advantage of it, and as a millennials we should be ahead of the game. The couple of stocks that I want to share is, the first one is OZon Holding. OZon Holding recently IPO'd in November, and this is Amazon of Russia. Russia has a population of around 150 million and has an internet penetration of almost 86%, I believe. But the e-commerce sector has a 6% penetration and OZon has a very good potential in this market. It has like 890 million in the first 9 months of 2020. It has $809 million revenue, and its competitors are like Wildberries, the main one is, but OZon has a better products and items and its websites. Recently they also introduced their debit card, OZon.card. Are almost around 260,000 people use it, and it has a big potential. People who actually use it, they earn bonuses on that. So this is a very incentive for its customers to actually get the debit card and purchase from its platform. The company has 30% annual revenue by 2025. They said that estimated that they make a 30% revenue, and that's a double-digit revenue, which is quite good for a growth stock. This company has lots of potential in the future, and this is an early stage. We saw Amazon, how did it do in the past 20 years from 1990 started, and then it's already to today like almost $2 trillion company. Also the company said that they have gross merchandise of like 142%. That's an insane amount of percentage for a company in Russia. And Russia, with its a big population, I think they has a lot of potential, and we can really benefit from this company. The current price is around $64, and it was IPO'd at $30, and at the moment it's $64. So it's already double. But I believe it has a lot of potential, and based on the future potential, it can reward all of us, the investors and even the short-term traders, like a good amount of money, and so we can get rich. The second stock I'm going to talk about is, I also actually bought it myself at a very early stage. It was my average price was $0.69. The company is called Alpine Technologies. It's due to be listed on Nasdaq. At the moment it's trading on OTC market. When I bought it, it was $0.69, and at the moment it's over $8. So I was a very early investors, and I bought at a very fair price. So, but then I kept adding it. So my price is around $190 at the moment, which is I'm already almost 400% up, despite keep adding it on that. So, but the growth of this company is just starting. It hasn't finished yet. The company is in the recent shareholder meeting, and later they talk they might do some partnership with Tesla, and even they mentioned Apple. Apple has a market cap of over 2.3 billion, I believe, and that for a small company have like over $1 billion, like for over $1 billion market cap, to do partnership with these big companies it's a massive thing, and they can benefit from it like hugely. So I believe drone industry has a lot of potential in the future, and Alpes in a very strategic position to benefit. So they have like few subsidiaries as well, and they're making quite good money. But the PR of Alpes is very active on Twitter. They reply to investors' messages and comments, and they talk about it. If you have any inquiries, anything about the company, they respond to you like easily. So that makes it more accessible and credible for investors, for people who has unlimited money to get in this company and make a huge sum of money. Analysts forecast that like it can go even up to 32, but I believe within a couple of years it can easily hit like $50. Like we saw AMD went from 2000 like $2-3. I believe it was around 2015. Now it's almost $100. Like that one is 50x reward that an investor who invested in the company in an early stage can benefit from it. You can do your own research on these companies and think more about it. So this was my very first video. I hope you enjoy it, and I would really appreciate your feedbacks. Please share the video with other investors, families and communities. Spread the word, and I'm committed to make more videos and inform you and educate you, so together we make money. Any feedback will be appreciated. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.